Hello friends, meet our little learner.
Good morning, my friends. Today I'll tell you about the story of Peacock and the Nightingale. What was the time? There was Peacock and Nightingale in a jungle. Peacock danced in raining season. One day, he heard a voice. Nightingale says a song. He said to try the song, but it was a rough, and he can't say good. And he cried. Then the fairy appeared and said, "Why are you crying?" He said, "I don't have a good voice, but the Nightingale has a good voice. I have to be a good voice." But the fairy said, "Everyone has a new feature." Moral of the story is, everyone has unique feature. Thank you.
For more information, visit www.thefantastico.com. Register for our public speaking course. Book a free demo class with us immediately.